Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Making a new video today on our HF35 transmission services. Wanted to give you guys an update about pricing and everything that we're doing here. I know we have some older videos out there that have some of our old processes on there, so I just wanted to take the time to give an update on what we are offering. So what I have behind me is a 2018 Ford Fusion Hybrid that was brought into us from Texas. You can't see the plate, but they found us on YouTube. We offered our services. They brought it here for a replacement, and that's what we're just finishing up right now. So here is what we offer at Hybrid and Electric Car Sales. So first and foremost, we offer our transmission rebuild kit. This kit includes all the gears, all the bearings to rebuild your transmission or to have a shop rebuild it. It requires the removal of the transmission, and you got to have some special tools to do that, and then you have to rebuild the actual inside of the transmission. It's closer to a differential, so if you are looking for a shop that may be capable of doing it, I'd start with a differential shop or a transmission shop that maybe specializes in rear ends, because this transmission is closer to a differential than it is a traditional automatic. All right, so how much is that kit? Today, that kit is $25.60, okay? This kit is available on our website, and it is for the Fusion, the CMAX, the MKZ, Hybrid, or Energy. We have two separate kits available, all right? And this can be purchased on our website. That includes shipping. We'll get it to your front door, all right? But finding someone to do it is tough. We can do it here, and we've done it in the past, but we're gonna go over what we're doing now. Now, I understand not everybody can find a shop to rebuild their transmission, and some of you have already removed your transmission in an attempt to make this repair. If you need me to rebuild your transmission, you can bring me just the transmission. You can also ship it to me. FedEx Freight will ship a transmission across the country for about $250, $300, all right? How much is that service? That service is $3,800 today, all right? That will take the kit that I just showed you, that I just explained, that $2,500 kit, and we will install it into the transmission and get the transmission back and working again. We'll ship you. Come pick the transmission up, or you can pay for return shipping to get it to you. This $3,800 does not include any shipping whatsoever, okay? That is just for the kit and the installation of the kit. But the transmission will be in good working order. Now, what's our last service that we offer? And this is our most popular one, and this is what we recommend that you do if you have your car. And that is, you bring the car to me, and I replace your transmission with an upgraded unit. And that is what we've been going over on all of the YouTube channel lately, is our upgrade and our replacement. Now, what is the upgrade? This upgrade is from a 2019 or 2020 Fusion Hybrid. That's the part number we use. It's a remanufactured unit directly from Ford. Okay, that Ford unit has a lower price than the part number for this car. Now, they will tell you they are not compatible with each other, and that is partially true, but we make the 2019 and 2020s work in CMAXs, MKZs, Fusions. We can make them work in any year. That's why you need us to do the installation. We will not sell you this transmission by itself. One, it's too expensive to get it to you. The core charge is too much, and it probably will not work for you if you don't know what you're doing. So that service is $5,200 plus tax. We no longer are offering the service of removing your transmission and rebuilding your transmission. We will not rebuild your transmission anymore. The labor cost and the parts cost, from the $3,800 to the labor, it puts you here, and this is a better transmission. This is an upgraded unit. A lot of people are calling us with 2013s, 14s, 15s, and most recently we've been getting a lot of calls on 2018. So wanted to give you the update on the pricing. So $5,200 plus tax here in Tennessee. It puts you about $5,600 all in. Okay, it's a very expensive repair, but you got to consider most of these cars are very good cars. The Ford Fusion Hybrid, the CMAX Hybrid are wonderful vehicles, and sometimes it's worth investing in it. You can't buy a good used car for $5,200 right now. Not one that's you're not gonna have to put another couple thousand into. And the car that you own is definitely better than something that you don't know. So we've had a lot of customers taking advantage of it. Last thing, so how do we get this repair done to your car? Well, first thing, you got to call me. Reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. I can diagnose most of them over the phone. I'll try my best. It's the most difficult thing to diagnose a car over the phone, but as long as you've listened to the noise and you found me here on my videos, and if it sounds like the cars in the videos, most likely you're going to need the transmission replacement. So you call me up. What I can do is I can go over all the pricing with you. We have an email that we'll send to you. I'll ask you for your email address. We'll go ahead and send you a welcome packet, and I'll explain everything that we offer, and you can pick the option. Then we do ask for a deposit to hold your appointment of $200, and that way I'll make sure I set a transmission aside for you, and then we'll have you booked for a week to come in here. Right now we're doing about one a week, so we're going to reserve a week for you out in the future. Right now we're about 2 to 3 weeks out. We have 3 to 4 here ahead at any given time. So it's been a very popular repair. So right now we're booking, today is June 7th or 8th. So we're booking for the beginning of July right now. We have all of June booked out, but we can get you on our books and get you taken care of. So reach out to me. My direct line is 615-802-5550. Most likely I'll answer the phone. So just ask for Chip. You can come see me online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com. That's also where that order page is for the HF35 parts. You will say HF35 order page. You can just click that link. It will take us to an online store. Square is our provider, and then every single individual part or the entire kits are available on there. And then lastly, you can come see me in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee, about 10 minutes outside of, 15 minutes outside of Nashville. You can come check out the shop. We got some transmissions and batteries on display along with all the cars that we have for sale. So if you are looking for a quality used car, you do not want to fix your Fusion. We are buying broken Fusions depending on the year and the mileage. So if you have one and you don't want to fix it, I'll buy the car, we'll fix it, and we'll find a new home for it. So reach out to me on that. We're buying all sorts of cars, Teslas, Fusions, CMAXs, MKZs. So get with me, all right? Hopefully the pricing gave you a little bit of an update of the current state. They can change at any time. Pricing has been going up lately. But I'm trying to keep the prices as fair as we can so we can keep the doors open and we can keep on cranking them out for you. So thank you all for the support. I appreciate you sticking with me on this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great night.